So carrying on from the last video, now I'm going to show you a live demonstration on how to wash your synthetic wig. Here I've got some lukewarm water. First of all, we're going to place some fibre hair shampoo into the water, just a little bit, and soak it all up. Here we've got our synthetic wig. Gently place it in, submerge it into the water, just like that. Now what we're going to do, we're going to let it soak for about 2 to 3 minutes, run our fingers through the hair fibres, and then we'll rinse it with cold, cool water. Okay? I'm not going to show you the actual rinsing part, that's pretty straightforward. In the next video, I'll add the conditioner with fresh water. Okay? Okay, so I've already rinsed the wig with cool water to remove all the shampoo residue. Now we're going to add a little bit of fibre hair softening conditioner to the water. Again, soak it all up, dissolve the conditioner as much as we can into the water. Sometimes you have to rub the conditioner between your palms and your fingers so it dissolves a little bit, because we're not using super warm water, it's actually quite cool. Okay, this time, place the wig in again. We're going to put a bit of conditioner on our hands, rub it together, and then just run your hands over the hair fibres. No need to rub the conditioner into the monofilament base at the roots, you're literally just going over the hair fibres. Very gentle process. Okay. Now this time we're actually going to leave the wig to sit in the water with the conditioner for about 5 minutes. And again, I won't show the process of rinsing it, you just hold it under the cold tap, rinse all the shampoo out and the conditioner out, pat it dry with a towel, and then the next video I'm going to show you the wig on the mannequin, and then we're going to do the leave-in conditioner and restyle. Okay, catch you back soon. Okay, here's my wig, which is, I've just rinsed it all through, rinsed all the conditioner out. Now I'm just going to pat it dry in a towel, nice and gentle. You can give it a nice squeeze, but obviously don't be twisting or wringing it. And then you want to place it on your mannequin to air dry. Now, while it's quite wet like this, you can actually use your fingers to gently style it into the style you want, or if you've got a wide tooth comb, you can use that. So, I have got a wide tooth comb. I'm just going to style it over. Now, with a synthetic wig, you can't actually change the style unless you use steam. And what that does is it warms the hair fibres up and makes them more manoeuvrable. So then we can change the style. It lets us, because if this dried, it would just bounce back straight to the style it was before. And because this wig has a monofilament top, we can actually put a nice parting in. One tip is, Don't put your parting too close to the edge of the monofilament top, otherwise you'll be able to see it, and we don't want to see the stitching basically. Okay, so this is just lightly styled without steam. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to get the steamer and then we're going to steam it into the style, put some leave-in conditioner on and then let it dry naturally. Okay, now we're going to steam the wig with a handheld steamer. What this does is warm the fibres up and then we can comb it into position, and if you want you can put a little lift in, let the steam go in, or add a bit of texture. What I find, sometimes the fringe can be a little bit heavy for people, so if you steam the majority of the hair back and then just leave a little wispy fringe at the front, it's quite a nice look. When you use a wide tooth comb as well, it does put the tooth comb marks in as well, which again looks really good, makes it look more natural. Just got a tiny little bit sticking out in the air, which happens quite a lot. So sometimes these wigs have been in a box for a very long time and you might have a kink in a bit, and the only way you can sort the kink out is with steam. There we go. Lovely. Now we've got a soft and sheen leave-in conditioner, and this is the perfect time to use it. So you washed the wig, you conditioned it, you styled it with steam, so you're just going to spray this all over. With the leave-in conditioner, for extra moisture, I do like to add steam again and even just comb it through. There we have it. So, it's a little bit wet. This will dry naturally. I leave it overnight. A nice shine. Looking fantastic. How to wash, condition, restyle and steam your